So in this video I'm gonna change the cabin air filter on Audi A4B8. So it's on the passenger side front and it's right there. So we have to take from here, it's only in the back, not this part. This is the glove compartment, the filter's right there. Yeah, you take this one, take them by hand, this one and this one. This is how they look like, plastic. Now take this part out, like, it's careful so don't break it. Okay, now okay, open. Now take the filter out. Slowly. It's a lot of dirt. Wow. So this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna put a new one. And by the way, these are the numbers if you need them. Yeah, this is from 18, so 2 years old. So this is my first time trying this kind of filters with activated carbon inside. And some microtechnology antibacterial layer. It's probably because of this pandemic, so this is how it looks like. It's like a filter. So yeah, I'm gonna install this one. Take this one out of the bag and install it. So now we got this one out. This is how it looks like. Glue on this side, but we're gonna put it this way. This card is gonna be on the right side. So just install it. It's back in place. Make sure you clean this one. We want it clean. So I'm gonna clean it and put it back. Now it was cleaned. I'm just gonna put it back in the initial position. Slide it back. Almost done. Okay. Now it's locked. I'll put this one back. Okay. Make sure the holes are back in place. Okay. And just screw them back. Last one. That's it.